In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best LED headlight bulbs in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which LED headlight bulbs is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Oxito H11 LED headlight bulbs. The H11 LED front lights bulb uses double-sided ZES chips, offering a 12,000 lumens light outcome per collection. 6500K cool white offers vehicle drivers better exposure during night driving. 300% brighter than stock bulbs. Compatible with H8, H9 as well as H11 socket. Exact same light beam pattern with original halogen light bulbs. The dimension and also setting of the LED chips are close to the filament in the halogen light bulbs, so the H11 LED light bulbs to function well in the front lights real estates, no dark spot as well as no blinding approaching lorries. Whole aviation lightweight aluminum lamp body, 12,000 RPM broadband cooling down follower, and also IP65 water resistant rate makes certain more than 30,000 hours continuous lights, also in drizzling days or another bad climate. CAN bus is all set and error cost free. Oxito H11 LED headlight light bulbs constructed in intelligent IC motorist, compatible with 99% of cars system. However, for some delicate autos, an additional decoder or anti-flicker harness might be needed. Easy to install. Straight connected cordless layout, do not have an external chauffeur or port, non-polarity outlet, make the H11 LED front lights plug and play like halogen light bulbs. Here is the item number 4, Okuma H11 H8 H9 LED headlight. Fit for the low light beam, a high beam of light, and also fog light. 2022 Acme XS LED chips. The new Gen Acme XS LED chip. Compared to routine halogen bulbs, the Acme XS LED chips gives you a wider as well as further driving vision to oncoming web traffic, 10,000 lumens, 6000K great white, plus 350% brightness, which is 3 times brighter than your original halogen light bulb. High lumens efficiency Okuma Lightning LEDs are made for the performance-oriented vehicle driver. It creates superior light output using the Acme XS LED chips that enable these bulbs to generate over 10,000 lumens of pure high-quality light. 50,000 hours long lifetime. The style of the square base, as well as the distinct hollow base style, offers incredible air conditioning ability. High quality with anti-oxidation product made use of throughout the entire LED bulb's body, so don't bother with transforming a burnt-out bulb once more. Much less replacement for vehicle drivers and also lifespan over 50,000 hours. Easy to set up. Almost 1:1 mini style like halogen headlight light bulb, flawlessly match your headlight housing as well as manufacturing facility outlets with no alteration. Truly plug and play. The item number 3, Torchbeam T2 9005 H11 LED bulb kit. 400% brighter than halogen Torchbeam 6500K white LED bulbs to have the high-power 1860 LED chips. Likewise expand the headlight array to 164 feet, giving a brighter and more secure lighting atmosphere. High power. The cooling down system utilizes a 12,000 RFM hydraulic fan to permit a 90 degrees Fahrenheit decrease in high temperature operating problems to make sure brighter light problems while reducing the danger of light fatigue because of overheating. Persistent radiance. The Sealight 9005 light bulb has a 20 years life of LED chips, which are 300% longer than the halogen tungsten filament. Bid farewell to regular substitutes. 0.1s fast light emitting Torchbeam LED headlights. Instantaneous light, no hold up in switching in between high beam of light and reduced beam. Safe driving without blind location. 10 minutes quick installation. Torchbeam T2 collection LED fronts lights. Almost 1:1 design. Same as halogen bulbs, non-polarity, no tools or alteration required, simply plug and play. Number 2 in our list, Sealight 9005/HB3 9006/HB4. 14,000 lumen safe exposure. C-Light 9005 9006 LED bulbs is 5 times brighter than halogen bulbs. 14,000 LM per pair, breaking through the evening to help you find risks previously. Refraction concentrating layout. Reflective surface raises the light variety. The cutoff line is as clear as halogen light bulbs. Two vehicles fulfill each other safely. No fret about dazzling the oncoming chauffeur. Better pattern. Keep the security of the driving is the top priority. C-Light 9005/HB3 and also 9006/HB4 LED light bulbs do not blind oncoming website traffic, no glaring thanks to an enhanced light distribution. External vehicle driver chip. Exterior vehicle driver separates the power supply as well as the bulb body, which aids dissipate the warmth of the LED light beads, minimizes light decay, and also prolongs service life by approximately 5 years. Keep in mind, the outside drive is not a decoder. 10-minute installment. The LED light bulb's heat sink is just 0.72 inches. You don't need tools and also damage anything. True plug as well as play. Cozy tip. We are upgrading our product packaging and also you might get a couple of boxes arbitrarily. The top one in our list, Faron H11/H9/H8 LED headlight. 300% brighter than halogen top automotive grade LED chips with 60W, 10,000 LM per pair, 6500K trendy white. Super concentrated beam pattern design gives wider, as well as farther lighting variety which is 3 times brighter than your original halogen light bulb. Over 5,000 HRS lifespan whole aeronautics lightweight aluminum body, one-of-a-kind hollow carved warm sink design, as well as 2,000 RPM turbo amazing fan, offer incredibly cooling capability, which ensures a much longer lifespan as much as 5,000 HRS. 10 minutes easy installment nearly 1:1 mini design like halogen, perfectly suits your real estate, and also factory outlets with no modification, just plug as well as play. Canister bus ready for 98% vehicles. Our bulbs deal with 98% of lorries' computer system without mistake, while some delicate models of Ford, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Volvo, Lexus, Chrysler, Mini as well as, etc. may need additional CAN bus decoder to be mounted. Note the filter system might not be 100% exact or up to date. Please examine your owner's guidebook or the component number on your initial light bulbs to validate the bulb dimension. Describe exactly how to pick the best light bulb dimension in our item summary. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best LED headlight bulbs amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.